Greetings all, Chardwick's in here. Alright, so this is the sea-themed journal that's done. My journals are more like weird pieces of art. So not all this stuff will stay in the journal. There's combinations of sections in it that will be taken out and not put back in, so it will close. Eventually it will close. But if you were to get a journal like this from me, you could leave it open like this if that was your choice as a storage unit for all your stuff. But technically you can take all the stuff out and just have the journal pages that you can draw or write on. So it's tied here. I've noticed that my little hole thing up here, I have to repair it. It's too much of a stress, I guess, on it. So let's see if I can open this real quick. We'll tip it over. Here is the back. Sorry, here's the back with its little sea things on it. And she's very into whales, so there's the whale on the back. Maybe I won't be able to get this undone for us to see it. Oh, there it goes. All right. So this has a wave ribbon lace that I found. And then there's the other side. On here will be the other side of the whale. I'll do more in depth. Here's a pocket. That's a plastic pocket that I actually adhesive to it. You can buy special plastic glue that will hold plastic things to things. Here's another page. This page comes out for journal pages with more pictures so you can see. This will probably be a two-parter. I'm going backwards. These are gesso pages that she can draw or paint on. Here's another pocket full of stickers. Here's another space that you can put journal stuff in. Here's where I've added pictures to give a 3D kind of effect to it. These are stickers, these are pictures. And then we have loose stuff right here, which is, this is a little photograph journal that I made for her. So you can open it. It's made of envelopes, so you can stick things in it. And then you have spots for pictures. You can buy the picture stuff and make different ways that you want to do it. It's up to you. This is just recycled stuff that came from another album that I've tore apart. Alright, so this is, I had to do a different way so you would be able to see it, so we're at a different angle. So here's a pocket made of old book paper. This actual material on here is shaving cream. This is a shaving cream colored. When I know I'm going to do a journal, I'll make pages and stuff of the colors that I want to use in the journal. So here's some journaling cards I made. This is pre-bought. I just bought this and then I put little stickers on it and then to give an idea of what you could do with these cards. And then there's the journaling part of it. There's another piece, another one of the journal pages. Remember I showed it. It can go anyway, but here's an more writing stuff. Alright. And then this particular one I made is also from, it's got two sides, so you can pick whichever side you want with stickers and pages and stuff. And then it's got stickers inside it. I do a lot of stickers. I want to make a journal. I buy lots of stickers to put in. Someday I'll make my own stickers. That's the plan, but right now that's not the case. All right, so then this is the other page on this side. I'm trying to get in here easier. So these are called, let me see if I can tilt it. So it won't tilt real easy that way, but so these right here are called hidden paperclips. I learned this from Treasure Books and possibly the Paper Outpost. Those are the two journaling things that I watch. Also Al John, who does a lot of recycling stuff. And so this allows you to hold stuff on the page if you want. So I have another piece of my journaling collage I made. I have a pocket right on the other side of this too that holds these stickers. Okay, then there's this part. This is a coloring page from those line coloring page books I get free every once in a while. And here's your other side of here's the other side of the hidden paper clip. This is a wood thing that I glued on there. And then here's this one I just made with cool paper I found. Okay, then here's a pocket to put stuff in. Here's some more of those big journal from the Master Collage. Here's another pocket. So technically I could put these in here if I wanted. You could just stick that in there if I wanted. Some of them are too long, some are not. Alright, then there's a hermit crab. Then this is another pocket, and it's got stickers in it. So stickers, more of the journaling collage. And then this particular thing right here is another one of the little photo things I made with a journaling card in it and pictures in the back to make it pretty. And then here's another of the shaving cream things, and another wood sticker, a wood place that I glued on there, and a sticker. Then here's another one. This also has more stickers and a homemade journaling card. You see this is from a sticker thing. And I put it on there so they can put stickers on it if they want. All right, we're finishing some more. I'm doing the TikTok style videos because at this moment in time I do not have a working vlog camera or for crafting or whatever, so that's why you're getting it in parts, and then I put on my YouTube channel as is. Anyway, so here's another hidden paper clip, and then this is, let's pull this one off for a minute. See, it goes this way so they can color it if they want. This is more journal writing. It comes down this way, opens up. They can write in there. Then you put this back. Yeah, sorry. No, wait, I'll put it in a minute. And then, here's a pocket. This has stickers, tons of stickers in here. Picture of the whale. Here's another pocket. And then this has a journaling. It's really long. It's called Accordion journal. It's the same setup as making your never-ending book. All right, so that's in that pocket right there. All right, then I have pockets up here that are full of stickers. See? Here's another of the hidden paper clips. You take that out. Here's some more journaling. Here's some more cards. And then this is also it's a big, like, never-ending book kind of like style. Yeah. It opens up with all these sea-themed papers to be writing on, and then stickers and stuff, and painting or coloring or whatever you want to put right here. That's up to you. There's lots of ideas of how that can be done. So this all goes back in here, close up, and we put our paper clip on there. We have to find there it is, to hold it in. See, like that. Okay, and then here's another. This is just a picture that's in the book. I put a little sticker on there, and it has pockets, and inside that has stuff. So, like, there's a journaling card I made. I think the never-ending book might be in here. I don't know. Oh, this is another homemade little album. See? And then they put the stuff in there they want. Pictures thing. Okay, so page with a sticker, journaling stuff. Okay, and then this is the middle bookmark thing. I put an anchor on it. There'll be something else up here. I haven't finished that particular part. The reason I'm doing these pictures now is this is for a friend of my daughter's, and she really needs a journal. So she said, could you please hurry it up? So it's all done and ready to go. We go on this side. This is the one that gives the most bulk to it. And if you emptied it out, it wouldn't be as bulky. But so the page goes this way. This is an accordion style journal that you use envelopes. So here's a pocket, here's envelope. Here's a pocket with another piece of journaling card in it. Here's a pocket. This opens up, has pockets in here, more journaling stuff. That's what this is. This is the never-ending book style that I've done in the past. See, so you open it. I always tell people, I just use glue. So if it comes apart, you can fix it. Here's another little journaling set. You just open it up. That's for you do whatever you want with it. And that goes in here. All right, there's another pocket that has a journaling card in it. And a picture. And a ending book goes that way. Then you flip it this way, remember? And then you flip it that way, this way, and then you're back at the beginning. They can be kind of heavy, so you gotta be careful what paper you want to use. This is just the pictures. Here's another just style picture. It's not really anything. Then more pictures, right? This opens up, has pocket here. This has this. Okay, here I have a little journal I made. It's got just all the theme papers, and then just another journal part, more stickers. This is journal cards. That's all they are. You just do whatever you want on the back of them. Oh, got a sticker fell out. It's your choice. More pockets. This flips this way, and then more journaling writing. This is where you write at the journal. And that's it. That's pretty much it for this thing. Close it back up, and that's it. There's the last of it.